Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the COVID-19 as we all are dealing with this situation. Because I'm receiving lots of calls from my near and dears, from a lot of patients, so I think of coming up with this. I'm going to tell you about not about the what is COVID and all. You all are aware. Everyone, your WhatsApp messages, Facebook, everywhere is filled up with COVID-19 symptoms and all. I'm going to tell you about the rehabilitation. What rehabilitations plays a role in this COVID pre-COVID phase when you are not affected with the COVID to prevent the COVID-19, during the phase of COVID-19 when you are in a self-isolation phase, and the post-COVID when you cross this deadly viral infection. Post-COVID phase rehabilitation, what we can do to come up as compared to our previous lifestyle, previous way of living, previous our body health, to come up to cure all the illness, whatever virus or whatever damage virus cause inside our body. So if you have any question, any query, please share it, please write it down so that I can answer all your queries. As we talk about the COVID-19, it affects your body as well as your mind also. Physical functions also and the mental functions also. So our rehabilitation efforts to aim to restore your body as a whole, your mind also and your body also. Common symptoms of this COVID-19, of this double mutant virus, are more dangerous compared to the last year virus strain. So the symptoms for this virus strain is weakness, body pains, fever, conjunctivitis, eye infection, rashes in the body, cough, cold, stomach upset, body pains or specific one or two joint pains, breathing difficulties. In this phase, breathing difficulty doesn't happen the day 1 or day 2. Sometimes the patient is having no symptoms, only smell and taste. उनको लगता है कि yes, we are absolutely fine, हमें तो कोई symptom ही नहीं है. No, please keep a regular check over your oxygen level. Yes, because it causes you the silent hypoxia. Hypoxia is the deficiency in oxygen. आपको कोई सिम्टम नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ स्मेल और टेस्ट फील नहीं हो रहा है, आप इसे इग्नोर करते हैं. आप 4 दिन के बाद एकदम से देखते हैं कि आपकी ऑक्सीजन फॉल हो गई, आपको ब्रेथलेसनेस हो गई है, यू आर अनएबल टू ब्रीथ एंड यू आर, if you check, your oxygen comes to the 40, 50 or 60. Yes, this is silent hypoxia or happy hypoxia. Don't ignore your even the mildest symptom. This COVID-19 can be cured at home also, but you need a specific on time and accurate treatment. Don't fear of getting your test done. Please check your test done and take the guidance from a good physician. At home also you can cure your disease. So I am going to teach you or tell you today about the physical alignments also and the mental alignment also, how we can cure and how we can deal with this. So today I am going to focus into the 5 things, because early intervention and a good treatment results you in happy and healthy body, and you can vanish away all the side effects of this virus. You can cross this deadly infection very easily. So we are going to talk about the 5 things today. That is your breathing, your exercises, your food and diet, meditation and yoga. So 5 things in total. Any question, any query, please write it down. I'll answer in the end. So first we talk about the breathing. Breathing plays a major important role. Breathing exercises. हमें क्या एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए और कैसे करनी चाहिए. What are the uses, what help breathing can do? It increases your oxygen demand. It increases your lung function capacity. It maintains your heart rate and blood pressure. It acts as the immunity booster for you. It increases your immunity. It helps you to fight the disease inside your body and out also. So breathing exercise plays an important role. It prevents you from the pneumonia, asthma and obstructive pulmonary diseases also. हाउ वी ब्रीथ नॉर्मली, इफ आई आस्क यू, हम नाक से सांस लेते हैं उसी से छोड़ते हैं, नाक से लेते हैं उसी से छोड़ते हैं। हम कभी ध्यान नहीं करते हैं कि जब हम सांस ले रहे हैं हमारा पेट बाहर आ रहा है या हम अंदर कितना हवा भर रहे हैं, कितनी सांस अंदर ले रहे हैं, हम कभी नहीं देखते। सो आज मैं आपको एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वे बताने वाली हूँ ब्रीदिंग कैसे करते हैं। प्लीज ध्यान से देखिएगा एंड लिसन केयरफुली हाउ वी डू ब्रीदिंग। This is called as diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Diaphragmatic breathing exercise. What is diaphragm? Diaphragm is our main respiratory muscle. Main muscle है जो हमारी respiration में help करती है, either inhale or either exhale. Fine. So to demonstrate this, I am going to demonstrate this breathing exercise. Please watch it carefully. You can do this breathing in the standing also, in sitting also, or in lying down position also. Whatever comfortable you feel your position is. If you are comfortable in lying down straight, supine, easily comfortable position. Don't do these breathing exercise haphazardly. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है. In a relaxed, calm atmosphere, do it very very calmly and gently. So diaphragmatic breathing exercise. For this, what you have to do, I am performing in the sitting position. One hand over your chest, one hand over your belly. What you have to do, you have to inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. नाक से सांस लेनी है और मुंह से छोड़नी है. What we can do is start from when we inhale. जब हम सांस लेंगे, your stomach will come up. जो पेट है वो बाहर आएगा. Inhale, your stomach will come up. Hold it for few seconds as your capacity allow you. If you can hold it for 10 seconds, that is fine. If you can hold it for 30 seconds, it's very good. And if you can hold it for 40 seconds, it's excellent. So I am performing it again. Please see. As I exhale, my stomach will go in and my chest will come out. I hold it for 50 seconds. Yes, you can hold it till 60 also if your system allows you. Fine. I repeat again. You have to inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. While inhale, your stomach will come up, and while exhale, stomach will go down and your chest will come out. This is diaphragmatic breathing exercise. It's help you to increase your immunity, boost your immunity, increase your oxygen demand. आपका ऑक्सीजन लेवल बढ़ाएगा ये. आप इसको कभी भी कर सकते हैं. But don't do it in a haphazardly manner. Do it in a very smoothly, relaxedly, in a calm atmosphere. When you are in a self-isolation phase, get up early in the morning, sit outside where you can get the fresh air and do this breathing exercise. Yes, you can check your oxygen level. Your SpO2 will going to up. Your oxygen saturation will going to up by doing all these exercises. But please do it all under the supervision. Don't ignore your symptoms. Next, if I am talk about the next pattern of breathing is posterior lateral breathing, जिसमें हम लंग्स को एक्सपैंड करते हैं. एक्सपैंडिंग योर चेस्ट. आप इस एक्सरसाइज से अपनी लंग फंक्शनल कैपेसिटी बढ़ा सकते हैं. लंग्स में आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन फिल करेंगे. एंड टू एक्सपायर वाइल एक्सेलिंग, यू एक्सेल आउट द ऑल द डर्टी गैसेस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, बैड एयर, यू विल एक्सेल. सो हाउ वी कैन डू दिस posterior lateral breathing exercise? What we have to do is, with both your hands, spread it over your rib area. Around the ribs, you have to keep both your hands. Inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. As again I say, inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. We inhale, your chest will expand like this. Hold it for few seconds as we done in the earlier diaphragmatic breathing exercise, either for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds or 60 seconds as your body allows you or as your system allows you. Okay? As you inhale, expand your chest, hold it for a few seconds. While exhaling, chest will come in. Your hands will like this. Expand, release. So this is the second breathing exercise, that is posterior lateral breathing exercise. Again, I am telling you what are the benefits of this breathing exercise. Increases your oxygen demand, helps you to increase your immunity, acts as immunity booster, reduces the risk of pneumonia, asthma and pulmonary diseases, increasing your lung functional capacity, maintaining your heart rate and the blood pressure. So please do these breathing exercises. These two main times plays a very important role in your rehabilitation phase, in your self-isolation phase and your pre-viral infection. Increases your lung capacity and oxygen saturation. Yes, makes you more immune, makes your immunity good enough so that virus not enter in your body. So next, so till now we talk about the breathing, COVID-19 symptoms. Next we are talking about the exercises. What exercise when we can do, what we have to do, what we don't have to do. क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. Many times we start doing all these exercises just by checking the YouTube videos and following other messages, random messages, do this, do this. No. For the COVID-19, exercises are also very specific and specific to the individual person, because the symptoms vary in each individual. Symptoms are not common in every individual. All the symptoms vary from person to person. From one patient to other, all the symptoms are different, not same in all. So please don't follow the like bhed chal and all. Stick to your symptom, check your body and do accordingly. So back to the exercise. What exercise we can do? We have to do the exercise to build our strength and endurance, because after exposure of the COVID-19, our body develop lot of weakness, lot of joint pains. हमारा muscle health, bone health वैसा नहीं रहता है. So we have to build our strength and endurance as compared to get back to our previous, before the infection, our body, how our body is responding. For this, if I start from the mild exercise, you can do all the joint movements. As if I say about the wrist, elbow, shoulders, neck, legs, knees, ankle, every. Do mild joint movements daily. If nothing possible, just make it a clockwise 10 time rotation, 10 time clockwise, 10 time anti-clockwise, elbows, wrist, leg. Only do this movement. If I talk about the next, walking plays a very important role, as your body allows. How much walk you can do. 10 minutes of walk after every meal. Yes, results excellent. Helps in your good digestion also. Increases your immunity also. No symptoms of bloating, acidity and indigestion if you do a 10 minutes of walk after every meal. Okay. Next we talk about the low intensity exercise. High intensity exercise are not recommended in the post-COVID rehabilitation phase and during the self-isolation exercise. If you do high intensity exercise, you can damage your body internally. Excuse me. So high intensity exercises are not recommended in the COVID patients, in the post-COVID phase also, during the isolation phase also. We have to stick on the low intensity exercise. Low intensity exercise include the walk, stair climbing, stairs up and down, meaning squats also, squatting like how much your body allows. It can be 5, it can be 10. As your body progresses, or gradually you can increase the intensity of your exercise. Every 3rd day or 5th day you can increase your exercise. If you are starting your exercise by the 5 counts, each with 10-second hold, after 3rd day or 5th day you can increase it to the 8 repetition with 10-second or 15-second hold. So do it exercise in a proper way, or if possible under the guidance of any good physio or someone expert in exercises. One more thing, every kind of exercise helps you or releases the happy hormone, that it's very very good and necessary for your mental health. Release of the happy hormone is must. Next, if we talk about diet, yes, diet, food, you all are aware about the vitamin C ले लो, zinc ले लो, इतने दिन लेना, इतने दिन लेना. Okay, that is fine. That is the protocol for COVID-19. But what you can take in your diet? Yes, supplement must. But when you have so much of ingredients in your kitchen, why to stick only to the supplements? Check your diet. Check the ingredients, whatever available at your home. Don't rush for all this medicine. Fine. So few superfoods I am going to tell you which helps you get back your strength, your rich doses of vitamin C, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. Many of you already know about this, but just a recall or a repeat. First foremost food is drumsticks. Yes, drumstick. Drumstick is an excellent source, excellent immunity booster, is a full power pack food. It helps you to increase your immunity, fights you, helps you protect a shield around your body to fight that virus. Drumstick. You can add in your diet as a vegetable, as a soup, or as a raw vegetable. You can make a juice also. Add the drumstick in your diet. Next is coconut water. Healthy, very very healthy coconut water. If you are in a self-isolation phase, please take at least 2 to 3 coconut waters daily. And if you add a little bit of lemon in it, it increases the vitamin C level 10 times higher. 10 times higher vitamin C if you add a lemon into the coconut water. But keep in mind, this coconut water with lemon is not for the kidney patients. It's not for the kidney patients. Next we talk about the garlic. Garlic, onion and turmeric. 3 superfoods. Please add in your vegetables as a salad. These are the awesome superfoods for the COVID-19 recovery. Garlic, onion and turmeric. Anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant properties, boost your immunity like this. Not stagnant, it boosts your immunity. It kills the virus inside your body. Depend on how much infection you have. Whatever remaining infection in your body, this garlic, onion and turmeric helps you to recover it better, to get out of this. So add, either you can add in your vegetables, you can eat as a turmeric tea, turmeric milk, but avoid milk, because whatever the foods we avoid, next time I am going to tell you what foods to avoid eating in this phase. So that includes the dairy products also. Next, what to eat. Next superfood is, you have to take the magnesium rich food. Magnesium. Why magnesium? Because the COVID-19 symptoms include the stomach upset, bloating, acidity, sometimes diarrhea also. Magnesium helps you to gain that, to avoid all these symptoms. Like pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed are rich of magnesium and zinc. Peanuts. Peanuts are more healthier than the almonds. Yes, consume peanuts, a little handful of peanuts daily in your diet. Next is your red capsicum or bell pepper. That is a very good antioxidants and rich vitamin C source. Dry fruits. Next is whole grains. Take the whole grains more and more in quantity. Take ragi atta, jowar atta, bhakri, whatever our ancestors or our elders stick to. Don't stick to the packed food and this maida, bread and all. No for all these food. Eat less sugar and the less salt. No raw salt, no raw sugar. Drink plenty of fluids, plenty of water, juices and fruits. Drink all these. And try to eat fresh food as much as possible. Fresh foods and fresh vegetables. Next is what to avoid. How much food or what kind of food to avoid. Processed food, frozen food, dairy foods like cheese, milk and all to avoid. Heavy fat food, trans fats to avoid. Bakery products to avoid. Frozen foods to avoid. Prefer fresh home cooked food and the fresh. Please avoid taking anything cold, anything out of the fridge. ठंडा नहीं खाना है, फ्रिज का नहीं खाना है. Try to eat fresh, not milk, nothing, not ठंडा दूध नहीं पीना है, ठंडा पानी, no. So take care of your diet also. Next, if I are talking about is meditation. Yes, meditation. Why meditation? Because whatever symptoms I already told you, these all symptoms lead to the fear and the anxiety that leads to the depression also. जो इंसान नॉर्मल है, जिसको नहीं भी हुआ है, उसके माइंड में भी फियर है कि आज नहीं हुआ है, कल हो जाएगा मुझे, ये तो सबको होना ही है. इस फियर से ही हमें सिम्टम्स डेवलप हो जाते हैं. आइदर वी आर लाइक गेटिंग द ओनली द कॉमन कोल्ड इन्फेक्शन, सिर्फ खांसी हुई है, वी डेवलप इन अ फियर, वो मुझे भी हो गया. Yes, fear. Avoid this fear. If you heard about law of attraction and your law of karmas, whatever happens in your universe will get back to you. जो आप सोचोगे, that's your sixth sense, वही होगा. Yes, this is the true and the fact. This is research-based study. Whatever we read in our ancient, our ancestors, our sadhus, whatever they tell us, or our basically Gita Ji. If you ever read about the Gita Ji, yes, that is the true. Gita Ji involves all the answers to your question. Every answer you get if you read. Whatever you think, that will happen. If you think positive, positive things will happen. If you think negative, you attract the negative energy. Yes, negative energy. Is science also prove that thing. What is our pran energy? Pran is our energy. That is the atom. It exists before the science, Newton's law and all this exists before all this. If you think positive, positive things will attract. If you think negative, negativity you attract the negativity. So meditations play a very important role in the recovery, in the mental recovery and the release of the happy hormones also. So please meditate also. If you don't know any meditation, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, forget it. Just close your eyes, sit relaxed, inhale, chant Om mantra and release, exhale. Do it either repeat or do it at least minimally for 5 to 10 minutes daily to get out of all this negativity. It's must. Apart from breathing, diet, exercise, precaution, meditation is also must. Please meditate at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Do only chanting of Om or whatever religion you are following, whatever chanting, whatever prayers you are doing, you can do. Do chant Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra का जाप कीजिए and see the changes. See the changes in your body and your mental level. Fine. Next, if you are suffering from the anxiety and depression, this will help you get out of it. All the fear will vanish away. सब fear उड़ जाएगा जब आप meditation करना start करेंगे. And because of this, COVID patient needs more of psychological support also and the more of psychological counseling also. अकेले रहना easy नहीं होता है. If you are in a self isolation phase, 15 दिन एक कमरे में बंद होके रहना, it's not easy. So you need more of the psychological support and counseling also. So please meditate. God is with you always. He is there for our help. He is in surrounding also. Let's talk to Him and pray for everyone. Next, if I talk about the yoga, yes, yoga is a very, very, very good exercise, pranayam, everything yoga. Include every person at every age group should involve the yoga in your daily routine. What yoga we can do, what exercise we can do? Normal Lom Vilom, excellent. Inhale from the right nostril, exhale from the left, inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Lom Vilom, Kapalbhati, forceful expiration, exhalation, forceful. Take out, clear your lungs. It helps you to clean your lungs with the bad air and helps you to fill more of the oxygen inside your body. Lom Vilom Kapalbhati. Bhastrika Pranayam. Yes. Bhramri pranayam. Bhramri, humming bird sound. Close your eyes, close your nostril. Inhale, just exhale, just make a sound of a humming bird. Bhramri pranayam. It energizes your chakras of your body. It heal your mind. It's fill your mind with the electric vibrations. Bhramri pranayam. Results excellent. So please involve all these exercises, and while doing the yoga also, please take care in your mind. No high intensity, no like hundreds of Surya Namaskar. No, stick to the basics, relaxing atmosphere. Fine. This yoga also helps you to deal from the anxiety, depression, fear. Please do all these things in your daily routine. Add breathing exercise, your diet, your exercises, your meditation and the yoga. Please do all this. Involve all these things. Help everyone. Pray for everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy. Fine? If any question and any query, just wait. Let me check about the questions and query. I'll let you know. Fine? If any question, please comment yourself. I'll answer all your queries and the questions. Okay, I'll answer all the individual queries and questions later, or I'll text you whatever. If you want any consultation, online advices, we are available, or by the same WhatsApp number you can check my website or YouTube channel for more further videos. Please subscribe and share, and I am there to help, and we all have to unite together to fight with this COVID virus and to get out of these situations. The self-isolation is must and mandatory. We have to fight together. We can do the treatment at home also. No need to rush out for bed, hospital, everything. Because of the fear and anxiety, this oxygen deficiency happens. That is why everyone is running behind. Oxygen nahi hai, oxygen cylinder de do, concentrator. No, please stay calm and relax. Do these breathing exercise. Your oxygen SpO2 level will not fall. You remain healthy, and your lungs will remain healthy. Your oxygen saturation will be maintained. Please follow all this instruction and share as much as possible so that everyone will get the benefit. Any question, any query, write down or comment. I'll reply you, all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for listening. Thank you.